Morning everyone, my name is Carlos Sinisidar from BS Team 2B, performing the Fine Dining sequence.
Good evening, ma'am, and mabuhay. Welcome to Casa Rosa. Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
This way, ma'am. May I know your name and the name under the reservation?
Yes, my name is Cha, and the reservation is under my name.
Okay, ma'am. This way. This is your table, ma'am. Are you comfortable with your table?
Yes, I am.
You have a seat, ma'am. Excuse me, would you like to order refreshment, ma'am?
No, thanks.
Can I pour you some water?
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, this is our menu.
Do you have any recommendations?
Tonight we have clam chowder, fresh clams, and hearty potatoes in cream.
That sounds great. Do you have any recommendations for the wine?
For the wine, we have Carlo Ross.
Okay, I'll have that as well.
Excuse me, ma'am, this is your order.
Okay, thanks.
Excuse me, ma'am, this is your wine. Carlo Rossi, a red wine from California. May I pour you some?
Sure. Thanks.
If anything, just call my attention, ma'am.
Sure. Okay. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Bill out, please.
Wait for it, ma'am. This is your bill, ma'am. Do you prefer cash or card?
I have my phone with you.
Wait for it, ma'am. I received the card, ma'am. This is your receipt and card, ma'am. Do you enjoy your stay, ma'am?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Okay, thank you.